Hi, and today we're going to look at multivariable addition subtraction. So, this is going to involve the exact same process we did with basically doing x and x squared and x cubed, treating them all separately and different. Now we kind of can see it a lot more easy. We have difference between x and y, right? So those two we can't combine. It's like saying, how about if we have a xylophone and a yak? We can't add a xylophone to a yak. We can't get a xylo-yak or a yakaphone, right? But we can add xylophones with xylophones and yaks with yaks, right? Though we could group those all nicely together. So this actually, like, this idea of algebra and grouping things actually stretches back to probably year one, where you would actually just group things like apples and bananas, but you just wrote those as numbers, right? Now we're just saying, indicating to somebody, hey, we actually are saying that this is an apple, this is a banana. So, continuing on, let's look at simplifying these. So we're going to do the same process of underlining or circling, whatever happens for you. If you just don't only have one color, circling and underlining in a combination can help. So here, x. And then we have plus 3x. So I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 3x. Secondly, then we're going to look at plus y and minus 2y. So add y minus 2y. So if we look in red, we have x plus 3x. We know that there's 4 x's there. And we have y minus 2y. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1y, which we just state as negative y. Next one we're looking at here, we have x here, so I'm just going to write x. Then I'm scrolling along, nothing. And then I get to this, I got minus 3x. We'll put that here. Okay. What underlining them can also help you is just to see what terms you're taking care of as well. So if you want to do it as you go, that can help. Here we have plus y, and beside it we have plus 2y. And then lastly, we have this plus 5 at the end. So that is just going to stay at the end because we don't care about it. X minus 3x, well, that's minus 2x. And then we have y plus 2y, well, that's plus 3y. And then we have this plus 5 that we haven't touched. So you could reorganize it so that you don't have a minus 2x to start, but I typically like leaving it in alphabetical order. That's what you'll probably see questions in, or use the alphabetical order as well, and answers. So here we have simplifying 3x plus 3yx plus 3x plus 3xy plus 3y plus 3. So once again, I've deliberately done this to really confuse you and make you think. So same thing though, 3x plus 3x. So just because it looks unknown and foreign does not mean we're going to change what we're doing. Okay. Now, I see this next thing, plus 3yx. I'm just going to put it next. Plus 3yx. And then I have this plus 3xy. So, I'm going to take a little second. Let's go up here. I want to do a little part in purple over here. Okay? So, 2 times 3 is what? Well, 2 times 3 is 6. Well, what about 3 times 2? And that's also 6. So does it matter the way we multiply? No. So for that reason, if we write x times y, well, that we know in algebra we just write as xy. We write without the multiplication. Then what about y times x? Well, that's just yx. There's no reason that we just can't. Those things aren't just equal, right? They mean the exact same thing. Two numbers multiplied together doesn't change. So we can actually combine those when we go to simplify. So then I have this 3y and then plus 3. Since I don't have anything else, I'm just writing them both in purple. So here, 3x and 3x is going to be, and 3x is going to be 6x. Then we have this plus 6xy. Convention is just write alphabetical order. And then at the end we can write plus 3y plus 3. Plus 3y plus 3. Okay,